Hello students, in today's session we will start the first module of organization behavior. So here module 1, introduction. Organization behavior is a very important part of the behavior. Okay, and the organization behavior is the academic study of how people interact within the group. The next, the meaning of organization behavior. Organizational behavior is the study of human behavior in organizational. So here organizational behavior is the study of human behavior in the organizations and the interface between human behavior and the organizations. So there the interface between the human behavior and the organization. And the organization behavior is a study of both group and individual. So here the organization behavior is study of both group and individual performance and activity within the organization. Next, elements. There are some elements of the organization behavior. So the elements are employee, structure, technology, social system and environment. So here first, employee. The employee is one of very important part of organization. So here the employee is one of very important part of the organization, and there is no any alternative in an organization without employee or people. So here the people refers to different employee working in organizations, and those people work as either individual or in group, and there is no any alternative available in employees for the companies, and employees helps in achieving the objectives of organization. Okay, so next element is a structure. This is the second step of organization behavior. So here the structure is the second step of organization behavior. Actually, structure means the former relationship with on the job employee of an organization. Here the structure means the former relationship with on the job employees of an organization, and there is created different types of position for doing work nicely in organization. So here there is created different types of position or designations are manager, accountant, administrations and journal staff. These officers and staff have to connect structurally so that they can work efficiently or doing the work nicely in organization. Okay, so next, the third element is a technology. Technology is the one with help of which employees are able to perform their task effectively. Means the technology is a very important part of organization structure in the modern age. The technology supplies essential resource and equipments to the employees for doing their work effectively or the task effectively. Okay, the next, environment is a part of organization behavior. There is two types of environment with which organizations. There are two types of environment with which organizations, and those parts are, the first one is a internal environment and second one is the external environment. So here internal environment refers to the organization culture, its structure and its resource, and the external environment includes various political, social, economic, cultural and technology factors. Okay. The next, needs and importance. There are some needs and importance of the organization behavior. The first one is skill improvement. Second one is understanding consumer buying behavior, and third one is employee motivation. Fourth one is nature of employees. Fifth one is anticipating organizational event. Sixth one is efficiency and effectiveness, and seventh one is the Goodwill Organization. First, skill improvement. The study of organization behavior helps to improve skills. Okay. So here, the organization behavior study also improves the skills, and this includes the ability of employees and use of knowledge to become the more efficient. And this includes the ability of employees and the use of knowledge to become the more efficient in the organization. And next, understanding consumer buying behavior. Consumer buying behavior improves the market process by understanding consumer buying behavior. The consumer buying behavior improves the market process because the understanding of consumer buying behavior. The buying behavior is the action people takes with regard to buying and using the products, or you can say the organization buying includes, there is a difference between the buyer and the seller. Okay. The next, employee motivation. Organization behavior or OB helps to understand the basic of motivations and different way to motivate employee properly. Means the organization behavior helps to understand the basic motivations and the different way to motivate employee properly. The motivating the employees for getting the best results for them. Next, nature of employee. Understanding of personal and employee nature and important to manage the properly. So here the understanding of the personal and employees, the nature is the important to manage them properly. Okay. The next 5, anticipating organizational event. The scientist study of organization helps to understanding and predict organizational events. For example, annual business planning and demand management. So here the predict organizational event or anticipating organizational event, anticipating future event could be possible as field of organization behavior, and the uses systematic study to understanding organizational behavior. Okay. For example, annual business planning and demand management. Next, efficiency and effectiveness. The organization behavior helps to increases the efficiency and effectiveness of the organizations. So here the organization behavior helps to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of organizations. And the next 7th one, the goodwill of organization. Organizational behavior helps to improve goodwill of organization. The organization helps to improve the goodwill of organization. Goodwill is an tangible assets associated with the purchases of company by another. Okay, so I stop here. Thank you.